The next session is about search engine paid, and why we have taken this as one of the sessions in the digital marketing aspect is because this allows you to start your marketing really fast. And this is not limited to only putting your advertisement on the search engine on the search engine result pages, but using the same network, which is the Google network, you can actually put advertisement on many big websites, including Money Control, BSC, or you talk about any of the big websites. They all use AdSense. So the AdSense, you can place it through Google advertisement. So what we will be teaching you is that how do we look at a marketing aspect from the paid marketing aspect, and how do we put up the right advertisement? What are the different options? The whole difference between our thought process and people's thought processes. Generally, they look at a channel, they say that we're going to use Google AdWords or we're going to use Facebook advertisement. The way we are going to look at it is that whether a contextual advertisement is going to be more profitable, or whether a search intent advertisement is going to be more profitable, or whether a people-based advertisement is going to be more profitable for us. Now, if you look at an enterprise level PPC, we generally go for a LinkedIn where we are targeting the people based on their profile, because it's about reaching out to the decision makers in the right way, and you do not need to reach out to the masses. So LinkedIn is where it's, even if it's expensive, it's going to give you better returns. But on the other hand, for a B2C kind of a company, obviously Facebook advertisement can be something which can be more profitable if you're doing that for a branding aspect. And then you can you can use those people to spread your word. So there are multiple options which are available on the advertisement front. So we'll be using that advertisement to make the best out of it. And also in the whole process, we'll tell you that how paid advertisement is just like a formula. You put X amount of money, you'll be able to see the return. And if you can increase that amount of money that you're going to put, the returns will also increase. So that is how I'm going to put all the content together, and also I'll be teaching you how can you track it, that in the dashboard itself of the advertisement, you'll be able to see which keywords are more profitable for you, which campaigns are going more profitable for you, which cities are more profitable for you, which landing pages are more profitable for you. So in that whole 2 hour session, I'm going to cover most of the important aspects for you so that you can learn more from it and you can benefit from it. I'm certainly looking forward for paid advertisement, and we are one of the Google Engage partners, and we have and on our MCC account, which is the master account, which is My Client Center. So Master Client Center, which is like the complete the client that we manage, we have it, and in total it shows around 88 million INR, which has been spent from this which has been sent from the MCC, and we'll be able to teach you more of our learning in the whole advertisement space. Looking forward for it. Thank you so much.